baking powder biscuits. For a single batch, you're going to want 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and then we have 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then for salt, you're going to want 1 teaspoon. Now, after you have everything mixed in here, this looks larger because this is a quadruple batch. Once this is in, you want to mix it up as shown, and then we're going to add some good old-fashioned lard. This is 1 cup. Okay, lard and or shortening. And altogether we're going to have 2 cups, and then you're going to cut it into the dough. As you can see, our dough has kind of a flaky consistency. Now we're going to add buttermilk. For a single batch, you're going to want the 3/4 cup. Like I said, this is for quadruple, so we're going to be dumping in more. Then after you get the desired amount in, you see we have a wooden spoon here. We're going to mix the batter until it has a sticky consistency. And after that, you're going to put it in your pan. So here you go, just pull from the sides. And you just keep mixing, until you get that nice consistency. You see the batter is a sticky consistency, and now we're going to put it in the pan. And then all you do from here is just push it around until it's even. Make sure you get it in all 4 corners. The hands are clean, by the way. Alright, and you just keep going until the pan is filled. Here you see the pan is filled evenly, all 4 corners. Now you want to have your stove put to 450 and cook for 15 minutes. Biscuits have been pulled out of the oven. Here you can put a little butter and honey on the top. Here's the pan. See how it turned out. All right, everyone, enjoy.